Scientology is not just a religion, where there is a list of beliefs that an individual must memorize and believe. Scientology is something that someone does. The Church of Scientology was founded by a man named L. Ron Hubbard. Hubbard was an American author, one of the leading individuals of the golden age of science fiction, and a humanitarian. He was born on March 13, 1911 in Tilden, Nebraska, and passed away on January 24, 1986. During his youth, he traveled to many places. It is said that he traveled over 250,000 miles by the age of 20. During his travels in Asia, L. Ron Hubbard noticed that there was a lot of suffering and wondered why this was happening. He discovered that not a lot of individuals knew what the true nature of man was. He wanted to help individuals find this. In 1938, he discovered a common denominator of existence. This common denominator was survival. Hubbard shared this idea through his unpublished manuscript entitled Excalibur. L. Ron Hubbard stated that, quote, "Life is composed of two things, the material universe and an X factor that can evidently organize and mobilize the material universe," end quote. L. Ron Hubbard's first major work is called Dianetics, the Modern Science of Mental Health, which was published on May 9, 1950. Dianetics is defined as, quote, "what the soul is doing to the body," end quote. This piece of work was created to help take away the irrational fears and unwanted emotions of individuals. It has sold over 21 million copies. In 1952, Hubbard realized that individuals were immortal spiritual beings, not just the body or mind. This realization was the beginning of the religion of Scientology. L. Ron Hubbard founded Scientology because he needed to find a way to set people free spiritually. The first Church of Scientology was founded in Los Angeles, California in 1954. The word Scientology means, quote, "the study of knowledge or truth," end quote. There are many symbols related to Scientology. Two are a figure containing an S, upper triangle and lower triangle, and an 8-pointed cross. In the first symbol, the letter S represents Scientology. The upper triangle has three sides which represent the three connected factors of Scientology, which are knowledge, responsibility, and control. The lower triangle represents affinity, reality, and communication. Finally, the 8-pointed cross represents the 8 dynamics of existence, the transition from materialism to spirituality, and the crossing of that barrier between the two. The Church of Scientology helps bring man to absolute freedom. There are essential principles of Scientology to help individuals reach this freedom. They include, quote, "you are an immortal spiritual being," end quote, and, quote, "your experience extends well beyond the single lifetime, and your capabilities are unlimited, even if not presently realized," end quote. In addition, the Church of Scientology has many methods to help individuals to absolute freedom, such as deal with situations that life throws at you, create strong relationships, raise your children to be bright and independent individuals, and have a happy and lasting marriage. Scientologists believe that every human being is basically good and that some individuals perform evil actions because of certain experiences that occur in their lives. Scientologists also believe that individuals are able to improve their own situations by using their increasing ability and intelligence. For example, people can solve their own problems and overcome different obstacles that life throws at them. Once they have improved themselves, then and only then are they able to help others, like family, friends, and people in their community. The Church of Scientology teaches that each individual is a spirit, not a physical being or body. The spirit, the actual person of an individual, is called the Thetan. L. Ron Hubbard researched that the Thetan is able to perform exteriorization, or the ability to live and exist outside the body independently. The ability to recognize the nature of an individual is the foundation of the religion. It teaches that the idea that man is an animal is completely false, and there is no relationship whatsoever between the two. The Church of Scientology addresses a person's spiritual nature and helps individuals understand themselves fully and how they fit into the universe by answering questions similar to these, like, who am I? What do I consist of? Where do I come from? And where am I going? All these questions help individuals to fully understand themselves and their purpose. There are 8 dynamics of existence that help a person better understand life. The first dynamic is the urge to survive as oneself. The second dynamic is the urge to survive through family and the creation of children. The third is the urge to survive in groups small and large, accompany a group of friends, a city, a nation. The fourth is the urge to survive as mankind. The fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth are the urges to survive through other life forms, such as animals and plants, the physical universe, the spiritual universe, and infinity or supreme being, respectively. In addition, affinity, reality, and communication, which are expressed as a triangle, also help a person to better understand life. These concepts of affinity, reality, and community all affect one another. When one increases, they all increase. They all add up to understanding. There are also 2 main religious practices of Scientology. The main practice is called auditing. Auditing is a form of personal counseling, which helps individuals improve their own existence. Another practice of Scientology is called Scientology training, which is a practice in the education of the principles of Scientology. There are many levels of this course. The purpose of these religious practices is to allow people to move into a higher state of spiritual existence. Over many years, the Church of Scientology has been growing. It is considered the fastest growing religion in the world by percentage growth per year. Now, there are over 7,300 Scientology groups, missions, and churches in 163 countries around the world. There are also about 87,000 Scientology volunteer ministers who help out in the communities, especially when disasters strike them. L. Ron Hubbard stated, quote, "I like to help others and count it as my greatest pleasure in life to see a person free himself of the shadows which darken his days." End quote. This quote sums the goal of Scientology perfectly. It is a religion that helps an individual find who they really are and their place in the universe. L. Ron Hubbard left behind a religion that is quickly picking up momentum around the world.